This is a video to document the screen replacement for a Dell Inspiron 3593. This is my daughter's computer and it has a cracked screen. I've already started the taking it off process, but I'm going to try to kind of back up a little bit. So first of all, I'll take the screen out and just kind of show you if you can see that the crack was here and it spread out like that. So I watched another video and it's supposed to be very simple. So basically your Dell is like this and this just snaps on. And so you go around, I had to wedge a little credit card and kind of pop this out and remove it. That's step one. And then step two, this screen is mounted like this. And there are 4 small screws you can see in here. And I took just a small screwdriver and went around and took all 4 screws out. And when I did that, the screen was still attached and I had to lean it forward. And right here is a piece of tape. And this piece here is slid into this bar here. And so you just kind of have to peel the tape up and then wiggle this piece out very gently and slowly. And now your screen is completely disconnected. Okay. So there's that part. So now this is what we have. So now I'm going to install the new screen, which came nicely packaged from laptopscreen.com. In fact, they handed it to me at my front door in this box and in this UPS envelope, which I have yet to open. Okay. It's double wrapped in the UPS bubble. And beautiful. Here's the screen. It looks exactly like my old screen. Their website is very easy. Listen, if I can do it, anybody can do it. It's very easy to understand in terms of putting in the model of your computer, if it's high definition, if it's touchscreen or not touchscreen, the size, and I think that's it, resolution maybe. And then it tells you exactly what screen you need. And that's the one I ordered, and it was here in 2 days. So 2 days ago, we woke up and her computer screen was cracked, and now I have a new screen here. So the first step that I am going to do is that I'm going to connect it here. Then I'm going to lean it forward, and probably before I put the screws in, I'm going to boot the computer up and make sure that my screen comes on, and just to make sure I got the connection in there right. And then when I'm sure of that, I'm going to lay the tape back in. I'm going to put the 4 screws, secure the 4 screws back in, going to remove the protective film, and then I'm going to put the kind of casing or edge piece back on. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now we are ready to secure the new screen and then check and see if it works. Then put the 4 screws in and then the edge piece back on. So I'm going to gently wiggle that back in. Put the tape back down. And then I'm going to and I hit the power button and yay! bingo. We have a now working, not cracked screen. Okay, so the next step is to put the 4 screws in and make sure that this all stays kind of underneath. So I think I'm going to start with my bottom screws, and I have verified that in the old screen, you can see here, there are 2 holes in which the screw could attach to your laptop, and they have used the outside hole in all 4 corners, so that is what I'm going to do. Then you certainly do not want to forget the step of removing your protective film, because this goes on top of it and you won't be able to reach the little piece here that is protecting it. Okay, now to put this piece back on, and so I'm going to start at the bottom, and then you'll hear some popping. Okay, I've never done this before, so let's see. That would really stink if I broke this. It's doing something wonky now over here. Maybe if I made it flatter. Okay, I think I got it. Looks pretty secure to me. So there you have it, from start to finish. My cute kid there. Replaced it, my cute kid that broke her screen. So there you have it. I would highly recommend laptopscreen.com for replacing your screen. Again, it was super fast. I did not pay for next day shipping. I paid for 2-day shipping. I think it was like 15 bucks. The screen was like 70 something, 78, 75. And I think it was like $98. And I have my screen repaired in 2 days versus sending it off to Dell, filing the claim, paying them at least this much to repair it, plus the delay in time required for shipping it to them, them fixing it, them shipping it back to me. It just all seemed like a lot. I only have a basic warranty plan on this that is for a year, and it's on just the hardware. I did not buy any additional warranties. So all in all, I think this was an excellent choice, and I am super glad that I did it, and I will remember them for the future. God forbid we have any more broken screens.